Hello, I am Stephen Lufthanza Bong and my name is 2301880912. I want to review about my MIS mid-exam answer. First, I found an ethical dilemma. The dilemma facing Apple company is about privacy and user data, because Apple doesn't want to provide user data to anyone because it is privacy and it's not good for distribution. But the government reason is that they want to ask Apple to provide personal data for users to find people suspected terrorists. But if Apple gives access to the government, Apple has violated the privacy rights of its user. And certainly many users will protest if Apple approve the policy. And the next is smartphone industry in Indonesia. First, quarter 5 analysis Samsung. There are 5 analyses: trade of new arrival, suppliers power, buyers power, competitive rival, and trade of substitute product. Buyers power. Buyers have the power to switch to one product because access to get information about product specification and detail is very easy. Samsung has the power to support them to make change because they have quite number of loyal customers. This has been evident with rather radical exterior design change to the Samsung product lineup. Samsung can be considered as a trend setter in their respective market. This is powerful position, but strong competition from their rivals ensure the changes aren't too radical, as they may lose customers to their opposition. Suppliers power. Samsung has allowed supplier. Bargaining power is low because Samsung is the producer of most component or device for the product it sells. Trade of new arrival. Large capital and assets are needed if you want to enter the smartphone industry. It is difficult to start in an industry where there are companies operating with various strategies. From the foregoing, it can be seen that the opportunity for new entrants to enter is low. And then, trade of substitute product. Almost all phones that have function and performance similar to Samsung can be considered as a substitute product. This includes devices that run using the Android operation system or with different operating systems such as iPhone with iOS. The trade of substitute product itself is not high because Samsung has several types of smartphone that are in its segment. And then, competitive rival. Many competitors are struggling in the same industry as Samsung company with rapid technological advance. It will be difficult for Samsung to reap high profits if it doesn't always innovate and create new breakthrough. And also many brands that have cheaper price, the same specification, especially brands from China. This is what threatens several types of Samsung smartphone in the middle segment. Although from the upper segment, Samsung still control the market with Apple, but from the middle segment, brands from China such as Oppo and Xiaomi are very controlling. If Samsung want to control or master the middle class smartphone, Samsung must make products that have unique features and good specification and price that can compete in that segment. And then business model canvas Samsung in Indonesia. There are key partnerships like Android, investors, suppliers, and others. And then key activities, distribution, research and development, advertising service, and others. And then value proportion, one UI, build quality, need product line, and others. And then key resource, people, brand, product and service, spare parts, and others. And then channels, cost structure, revenue system, customer relationship. And after that, the next is e-commerce strategy Shopee reintermediation. Shopee becomes an intermediary between buyers and sellers so that buyers can see the goods and find the items they want to easily and can see from several stores. Shopee can reach anyone without any geographical restriction. They can reach buyer and seller from anywhere registered with Shopee. Social commerce. Shopee can attract people to start using Shopee through ambassador events and promos that Shopee makes. Shopee gets revenue from big brands from advertisement and banners displayed by the brand, and they also can get income from putting the shop at the top when customers search for an item. And then the next about social media strategy amid coronavirus outbreak. Electronic conferencing tools is a tool for holding meetings with many people in different locations using the internet. Example like Zoom, Google Hangouts, Cisco, and others. Collaboration management tools is a tool make it easier for us to work together and exchange information to achieve the same goal. Example is Flowdart, ProofHub, Slack, Invasion, and others. Electronic communication tool is a tool to facilitate human communication and also exchange information with others. Example email, website, Binusmaya, and others. And then generation gap. Generation gap is difference in thought between one generation and another about various things. And then technological inertia. Technological inertia is the tendency is difficult to understand how to use technology and adapt to it. And then security. Security is protection of digital information and asset against internal and external threats. This defense include detection, prevention, and response to threats through the use of security policy, software, tools, and services. I think it's enough. Sorry if I have any mistakes. Thank you.